Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my channel CMA Moving Ahead. Those who are interested in trading but do not have enough of confidence, you must read this book. And if you want some expert advice or you want some motivation from some expert, you must watch this interview. This is the interview of the founder of Zerodha. You must watch this interview. You can have some key highlight points from this interview which will going to motivate you for the investment in trading. Now, 3 things that will help to develop after reading this book will be confidence for investment, knowledge for money, and what is the meaning of finance in the share market. Now, few major points that I want to highlight and you always keep in your mind before jumping into the trading world is the first one, you must have some goal. The second, you must have some proper knowledge before jumping into the trading industry. If you are thinking that it must be an easy job to do, then don't start it. Have some boundaries whenever you start the investment, so that you can able to restrict yourself and do not go with the flow always. If you lose, do not get panic. Have some learning from whatever you have lost and move ahead. If you are a beginner in the trading industry, you must have a focus for a long term. There are few channels that I will recommend if you want to get into a trading industry. You can go through those channels. I will share the link in the description box, and these are the few channels which you can refer before starting into the trading. We'll soon come with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, best of luck.